It's movie time. EmK has the hiccups tonight. And the yawns, it looks like.
Oh.
She's making some sounds. And I just thought it was worthy of a video.
Oh.
Oop. EmK. Hello. She must be interested over there.
Hey, baby. Hey, sweet pie.
What do you got? Baby language. Say, hello, world.
That's our lip. Hi, baby. Hi. You tell Isabel I'm eating her crackers.
Hello, world. Baby.
Yeah, you gonna make that website?
I don't know.
Yeah, they look good.
There's the pucker face. She's got some very distinct faces.
That means she wants to kiss.
A little smile, a little tongue. Oh.
Say, I love Daddy.
Are you watching the camera? Ooh, big one.
It's been up for like 30 minutes. It's like Dr. Evil. 1 million dollars.
This is 8 days old right here. Look at that face. An elder. Should be growing a beard soon.
Daddy's nose. I can really see it from this angle.
Over here, this angle? Hello. Do you think she needs a manicure?
Her nails aren't too long right now.
I was just kidding.
Oh.
Take her into the salon.
Well, you know we'll be painting her nails.
Mm-hmm.
With Isabel.
Just a little dab is all it takes. Just one little touch. Then the nail's covered. Well, big yawn.
I'll probably get some, like...
Smiling. Oh, she waved.
He's bleeding. Aww.
Let's see what this face makes here. What's that do for you? Do you want that? Oh.
That's it. Give it to me. You're getting hungry again.
Oh, her hand fell into her sleeve. Get the hand out of there.
Hi, sweet baby. What do you want, Mama? She's like, top me off, I'm tired.
And I think that'll conclude for tonight. I think we've pretty much exhausted her. She's starting to fall asleep. Up. Okay.